friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Kuromi as Jason. So first we're going to get started with the shape of the head, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. So on the top we're going to arch this line around and then down towards the side. And then starting back over on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down, ending that at the same height. On the bottom left now we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right, and we're going to end that so it blends in together on the bottom. Now from here on the left, starting from the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right, curving this line around and then in, ending that so it's at the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines that join at a point in the middle. Now let's draw in the skull up above. So we're going to curve this line around and then in, and we're going to end that at the same height. We're going to draw in a curved line that arches in on both sides. And then we'll replicate that again 2 more times, joining that in the center. Now for the eyes, we're going to draw in a circle on the right. And then leaving a gap, we'll draw in another circle over on the left. Now for the straps for the mask, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line on both sides. And then moving underneath, let's replicate that again. Let's draw in the eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then moving over on the left, let's replicate that. Now on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then moving underneath, we're going to arch this line down and then back up on the right hand side. Moving underneath the eye now, we're going to curve this line around and then back in at a point. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left hand side as well. Now for the holes in the mask, we're going to draw in 2 circles, one on the top and then another one on the bottom. Let's move over to the right now and replicate that. And then we'll drop down again and replicate that. Now let's draw in the ears. So on the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle on both sides. And then from that point on the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out towards the side. We'll leave a gap now, and we'll bring this diagonal line down towards the bottom, again on both sides, leaving a small gap. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this line in. Let's close off the top of the ears now with a curved line, arching this line around and then back in. And then now let's draw in the body. So first we'll draw in the knife that he's holding. So coming down on the right, we're going to draw in an oval. For the blade now, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. We're going to draw in a wavy line that curves down and further over towards the right. And then we'll just draw in a small circle on the left. Now let's draw in the body. So moving over towards the middle, we're going to curve 2 lines that come down, ending those at the same height. And then stepping beside that, we're just going to arch this line in towards the top. For the side of the body now, we're going to curve 2 lines that come down on both sides. And then closing off the jacket, we're just going to curve this line out towards the side. Let's draw on the arm now. So we're going to bring this line in towards the knife. And then we're going to curve this line back under. For the wrist, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes across. Over on the left, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll draw in another diagonal line that comes in. For the bottom now, we're going to curve this line down. For the foot, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Kuromi as Jason Voorhees. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.